this video, you're going to learn about how to uncover your energetic vibration around money so you can work on how to tune into the frequency to attract prosperity, abundance, and success into your life. Hey there, I'm Jovelyn, money mindset mentor and hypnotherapist, helping you transform your relationship with money, reprogram your subconscious money blocks so you can create an abundant life. As we delve deeper into the emotions and thoughts around money, we know that everything in our universe is made up of energy. Everything you see, all physical beings, plants, animals, are all made up of atomic particles, that is energy. This means that the way we think and feel about how we exchange, make, and spend money can determine the attraction and energetic flow of money into our lives. What we tell ourselves, what we picture in our subconscious minds can either hinder or control our financial destiny. Most of the time, we don't even know that we are blocking the flow of money. We can have all the dreams, plans, and work ethics in the world to reach our goals around our finances, but if we don't understand what money really is and how we can tap into the vibration of money, we will always be spinning around and around, wondering, waiting, and wishing for money to come into our lives. And find that no matter what we do, we still can't attract money. Therefore, in order to tap into the vibration of money, we first need to understand where we are right now with regards to our money vibration. This means we need to know how we are feeling and thinking about how we allow money to flow in and out of our lives. Firstly, we need to remember that our subconscious mind controls 90 to 95% of how we live our life. Our subconscious mind controls the actions we take, our emotions, our thoughts and behaviors. 95% of our brain activity lies beyond our conscious awareness. This means that if we want to attract more money into our lives, if we're not aware of our subconscious activity around the concept of money, then no matter what we do, we still won't get to where we want to be. So in this video, I'm going to guide you through an exercise to help you understand where you are with money so we can learn to break through the money blocks that you might have. And in the next episodes, I'll teach you some powerful techniques to reprogram your subconscious mind so that you can not only improve your relationship with money, but also become a powerful money magnet. So please subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on my future videos. Now, if you're not in a situation where you can put some time aside to do this exercise right now, then you can download the PDF, which I have available in the description below, or you can download it from jovelynhead.com. I do ask you that if you're feeling like you're not getting anywhere with your finances, do this exercise so then you can get an understanding of where you are when it comes to the flow of money and what you can do about it. Now, when you're ready, go ahead and find yourself a quiet spot so you won't be disturbed. Grab yourself a pen and a journal, switch off your mobile phone, and let's begin. So the first question is, when I think about making money, I feel and think. Next question is, when I get paid for my services, products, or the job that I do, I feel and think. Next question is when I want to buy something nice for myself, I feel and think. When I buy something for others, I feel and think. When I save money, I feel and think. When I spend money, I feel and think. When I pay my bills, I feel and think. So like I said, just feel free to just jot down some words, feelings or emotions, and then you can delve deep into those words a little later after this video. When a friend or family member asks me for money, I feel and think. When I help out a friend or family member with money, I feel and think. When I think about investing in my education, I feel and think. When I think about investing in my passions or business, I feel and think. Now that you've answered these questions, read over your answers and see which emotion or thought seems to come up more often for you. The answers you find will give you the self-awareness that you need to improve the state of your relationship with money. Remember, negative thoughts, emotions, and behaviors means that you are vibrating at a negative frequency. So if you feel anxiety, fear, doubt, guilt, anger, shame, resentment, or not worthy about the subject of money, then more than likely you're repelling money from your life. If you feel emotions such as love, happiness, gratitude, peace, self-worth, calmness, excitement, or inspiration around money, then you are definitely in the flow of money and more than likely attract or will attract money to you freely and effortlessly. Now that you know what your dominant thoughts and emotions are, I'd love to hear about where you're at with regards to money. And if it's a negative, don't worry, because over the coming weeks, I'll teach you how you can gain control over this and shift it so you can rekindle your love with money. So be sure to subscribe. Also, if you'd like some free resources on how to master your money mindset and attract abundance into your life, I have a powerful visualization meditation which you can download at jovelinhead.com. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.